Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my channel. I'm sure you're all doing good. As for me, I'm doing great right over here. If you're new here, hi, you're very welcome. If you like what you see, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and be a part of this lovely family. So, guys, I bring you all another delicious recipe. Today, we are having chicken pie. Look at how that is looking. Without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to quickly show you guys how I made this. Okay, it's so easy to make and it doesn't waste time. So, guys, here are the ingredients. We have my already sliced chicken breast. I have white potato, carrot, onion, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, green and red bell pepper. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be using for this recipe, guys. So we're going to start off by putting our oil in a hot pan, okay? And then I'm going to add my onion, ginger, and scotch bonnet pepper, and then mix all of this together. So after the onion has cooked for some minutes, I'm gonna go in with my sliced chicken and then I'll season this up with my spices. You can use any spice of your choice. You don't need to follow strictly, okay? You can use any spice you have in your kitchen. So here we have chicken seasoning. I'll add that in. Don't forget to add your salt and then mix everything together. Allow it to cook with its own water. Make sure to stir consistently to avoid it getting burnt because we're going to cook the meat on its own without adding water for let's say 3 to 4 minutes. So after it's cooked for some minutes, then we're going to now add water. At this point, guys, I've not added water. It's still cooking with its own water so that all the spices that we've added will get absorbed into the meat. So here I've just added my potato and carrots. At this point, I've still not added water. So I'm just going to mix everything together and then add water and cover to cook until it is tender. So beautiful people, if you're still watching up till now, thank you so much. God bless you. If you're yet to subscribe, this is the right time to hit the subscription button and join this beautiful family. As you've seen, guys, I've just added the bell peppers and I'm going to go in with a little bit of flour. So this is just to thicken the sauce, okay? The bell pepper that I've just added, it gave this food a very nice flavor. Like, guys, you need to try it. This sauce, you can literally use it for your rice. It goes well for everything. Yeah. So, guys, I just want to use this time to say thank you so much to all my recent subscribers, to my OGs who have been here since day one. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for finding me worthy to subscribe to. I really do appreciate you all and God bless you. So the sauce is done. We're going to go ahead right now to prepare our dough. Here we have flour. I'm going to be using 2.5 cup of flour. So do make sure to sieve your flour so that you can get rid of any lump, okay? So now I'm going to go in with my baking soda. And here I'll have salt, a pinch of salt, and finally nutmeg. So it's always sieved. Here we have our 2 eggs. I'll add that in and then go in with my butter. I'm going to be using my hand, to mix all this together. So here I'll be adding milk gradually until I get the right consistency. So our dough is perfectly done. This is the final stage where we have to roll our dough, add the filling in, and then cover up and bake for like about 15 minutes. So guys, thank you all for watching up to this time. I really do appreciate you all. God bless you. If you watched up till now and you still yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Don't even hesitate, okay? I know you're gonna love it in here, okay? Subscribe to my channel and be a part of this channel. Here we make delicious recipes and I know you're gonna love it here. Thank you so much for doing that. I really do appreciate you. Guys, please comment in the comment section what you think about this delicious chicken pie. Like this video, share this video to your family and friends. I'm just going to say thank you once more, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. In the meantime, stay safe wherever you are. Keep living by faith and not by sight. And I'm going to see you all in my next one. And know that Jesus Christ loves you. Bye.